Child marriage. If we look back to the 90s, over hachi malong amanjil, lahai film kiklang hujong si lang nam lo time de child marriage ke webon. But now, non ke dopik anlo. Child marriage pen kuana kesung, lapen kuana takili ansi nan piso ke dolong po. Chethan sina.
The Union Cabinet has passed a proposal to raise the legal age of marriage from 18 years to 21.
Government Union Minister pen pangdak pono below 18 below 21 ke pinan piso ke enta restriction do. Child marriage pen kumalo kesung, kumalo duki doji ke. Okay, so alo tum. During menstruation periods ahut so alo tum duk dopik and even during pregnancy delivery time. Idamtang January lom Assam police tum Arta kave pen pinan piso ke do child marriage tum han kinep dopik tanglo. Athe child marriage pen ajok pregnant ahut so alo apei lapen aso aprang dopik. Kopi pasi prohibition restriction doko athe it makes more poverty and increased growth of population lapen ke death rate. Lasi lahai kesung ki phog pajogi phansi Narendra Modi make a scheme beti bachao beti padhao. Child marriage lake school drop out atum sai selo. Child marriage rote kopi lo claim posolo tum. Lack of education pen ajok ki duk kesung lahai lo ke chaglam po lapen ke phog. Lasi lahai pen ajok si Pokso Act Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 lapen ke beti bachao beti padhao lahai scheme same nangklang. Nanglitum karbi entertainer pen ke paklang pon short video atheso pulang lo ndo tangte thekthe. It's about child marriage. Child marriage pen kuana kesung ke phonang awareness video si latum kabonai pon lasi kadoka beta langdam tame. According to NFHS National Family Health Survey, more than 40% West Bengal, Bihar, Tripura long atta kave pen pinan piso ke natum dopik. Lapen ke Jharkhand long 32.2, lapen ke Assam long 31.8% anutundo. Yes, of course, ningchidol ke madu alive ta wangweko, but it's better not to marry below 21 years. According to National Health Mission, 856 child death rate during the year 2017 to 2022 in Karbi Anglong district. Kado kave solo tum chichini, nitum solo tum ke aduk do opu. Nasi Arta kave pen pinan ki do bangke feature handa matha pompa memasi. Lasi pini abdul lasi kangtum pulo akimi viewers tum an please share subscribe than lechina lasi. Hello pini video, thank you Kardom.
Every year, a large number of students drop out of school in Karbi Anglong. A survey from Sarva Shiksha Abhijan revealed that around 13,031 students dropped out of school in the last 5 years, out of which 6,072 were girls. Dropout rates are considered to be a great wastage in the education system. Not only do many students leave school without acquiring basic skills, but their premature departure represents a significant waste of scarce education resources. One of the main reasons of school dropout is early child marriage. It robs girls of their childhood and threatens their life and health. Girls who marry before 18 are more likely to experience domestic violence and less likely to remain in school. They have worse economic and health outcomes than their unmarried peers.